You were just in the
store? I was just helping my guy out. I don't know him. And just you see that happens.
He's a good W because he's
yeah,
no, absolutely. So we need to get him separated. Absolutely,
yeah. I went to run it down.
Well, it's not like that.
Step out of the car, bro.
Sorry, sir. I know he's got it.
It's the definition of protect and serve. Intense moments when police confronted alleged kidnappers and saved their victims. We're breaking down 5 chilling rescues. Welcome to Sidebar, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber. All right, we begin our discussion about intense rescues from purported kidnappers in Forest Hill, Texas. This is near Fort Worth. It's Saturday, May 18th, 2019, and police believe an 8-year-old girl snatched right off the street is inside of a hotel room with a predator. When the man finally opens the door, the police rush inside.
Fort Police Department, open the door!
Oh, man, I'm getting dressed.
Open the door! Open it now! Break it. Open it! Door. Hands! Let me see your hands. Step out here. Step out! Step out!
Get him.
Get on the ground.
Shield.
Get on the ground!
Shield.
Blood in bed. Blood in bed, man. Hey, here she is.
Got her. We got her.
We got her. Yes. Hey, buddy. Bring it out. I got her. She's in custody. We have her.
Officers find this little girl in what appears to be a pile of clothing on the floor. She's nude, and the officers do their best to try to comfort her and cover her up.
We need an EMT. Get Cole Midstar. Yes. No. Don't worry about your clothes.
We got a towel? We got a towel? Who have it? Can we cover her up?
Yeah.
With something? Here you go, baby. Can we get her out?
Come here. For these 2 scenes.
Let's go. Come on, sweetheart.
You're okay? You're safe? We got you.
You're gonna be okay.
Police arrested Michael Webb at the scene. Officers say Webb took the girl from the street where she was walking with her mother. The mother later testified that she even had jumped into the car Webb was getting into, but he pushed her out. Webb took the girl to the hotel where police say she was sexually assaulted. Webb was charged in federal court with kidnapping, and in his trial, it only took the jury 15 minutes to return a guilty verdict. He was sentenced to life in prison. Next up, we're in Louisville, Kentucky in August 2023, and that is where authorities say Moises May kidnapped his ex and tortured her. The woman told Kentucky media outlets that he cut off her hair with a machete, made her strip naked, and put a chain around her neck. That chain, by the way, was bolted to the floor. This, by the way, apparently in the home that the two had shared before, and he allegedly left her, and when he left her, he said he was going to come back and kill her. So just think about how frightening that is. When police arrived after there were reports of a woman screaming, they tried getting into the home, but you got to get this, everything was barricaded. Police say May had nailed every door shut, so they had to get creative.
Where you see a ladder at?
I got a ladder. The ladder was on the side.
Is anybody else in there?
One for delay, girl, all three clear. You got some for now?
He did what? Is he Hispanic? Where's the key?
I know he's got it on his feet. And he's got it on his feet.
There's no coming up as R264.
But there's no one else in here, right?
No, you can just...
Your person received will be on SPT on 537 South 3rd Street.
There we go.
203.
Thank you so much.
That is so terrifying. A fugitive task force went after May, picked him up 2 days later. He was charged with multiple counts, including kidnapping, 2 counts of assault, terroristic threatening. In January, May's attorneys asked for the judge to lower his $100,000 cash bond, but the court refused. He's next expected in court in October 2024. Moving on, now we're in Miami, Florida in February 2024, and police say a man tried to abduct a child from a CVS right in front of his parents and other customers, believe it or not. Those parents fought back, and the father and a Good Samaritan helped chase down the alleged kidnapper.
What was the last known direction?
Get on the floor. Get on the f***ing floor. Get on the floor. This is Sasha, baby. This is Sasha. My baby. That's the victim. My baby.
I don't know, I was just in the store and I just started running with him.
972 in custody. Slow units down. We're going to be at 6953 Harding. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
6953 No, I'm double back again now.
Sit down. Sit there. Cross your legs, cross your legs, cross your legs. Sit right there.
Police arrested that man identified as Nicholas Sterneman a few blocks away from the CVS. They ended up getting more information from that Good Samaritan who had chased him.
I was just walking behind him.
Let's take a seat.
680, everybody.
Put your foot inside. Put your foot inside.
I got 5 kids, bro.
Okay, who's your brother?
Go ahead, put your foot inside. Put your foot inside. Put your foot inside. Put your foot inside.
So I just literally parked the car.
Where at?
On the road of the CVS.
Okay, so like on the side street.
Yeah, I drive a brand new X6, same like that, all black.
So in between the Walgreens and the CVS, so
yeah.
on 74th Street.
So I was getting my glasses out of Burberry bag, and I seen he was watching me, but I didn't. You know, I'm not paying no mind. So I walk into the CVS. As soon as I walk into the CVS, I turn around. I see the happening. Like,
what did you see?
Trying to take the fucking baby.
And where was he at? Was he inside
He
a
was
car?
by the entrance. No, we was all in the entrance of the CVS.
Was the baby? How old is the baby?
I don't know. I couldn't really see, but all I know it was open.
Oh, close it for me. Close it for me.
Yeah. So the baby.
Here, let's go over here so he doesn't hear what's going on.
Baby, you know, I turn around, the shit's happening, like they're fighting, and right there, like he tried to snatch the fucking child, bro.
And was the baby in a carriage? Was the baby?
I couldn't really see because I was damn near had to use the fucking bathroom. So when I turned around, I just see them like struggling, like, oh my baby, like the lady had her, but he damn near tried to snatch the fucking child.
And who was the baby with? The dad and the mom?
The dad and the mom.
But you didn't see like a baby carriage, a stroller?
No, the stroller, everything, the toys, everything right there.
So he was trying to take a baby from
the
stroller?
Yes.
Okay. That's how you saw it. And then, what happened? There was a struggle?
There was a struggle. He was trying to hold him to call the police. Everybody's looking f***ing stupid.
So grabbing him, saying, no, let go of my baby?
Yeah.
And what was the mom doing? The mom was holding on to her child?
Yeah, screaming while he's fighting this guy off because he tried to take his f***ing child.
Okay.
It's crazy, bro.
Okay.
That's wild. That people.
And then they ran this way, Collins Avenue, 71st Street. He made a ride down this way.
Yeah, I started chasing his. And then I told him to come with me.
Yeah.
That, bro. I got a lot of kids, bro.
Okay. All right.
That's crazy.
And you saw her from the beginning to the end.
Bro, literally 2 seconds. I just walked in that store.
Okay. You have an ID with you by any chance?
And surveillance footage from inside that CVS store shows the struggle to hold on to the 4-year-old boy. The boy's father managed to rip off Sterneman's jacket before the suspect took off. Sterneman also removed his shirt at some point along the way, throwing it into a bush. By the way, the man who helped chase Sterneman down, he was actually on vacation at the time. He also recounted the story for a Miami Beach detective in her squad car.
So I see the guy walking up on the sidewalk. He has on a full jacket, but he's looking so crazy, like hard. But you know, I'm really not paying him no attention. So I get out, I put my glasses on or whatever, and I gotta walk into the Walgreens. Now, this guy did not follow me in there. I just walked in there.
You walked into the CVS or
Yep.
the Walgreens?
CVS.
Okay, because the CVS is across from the Walgreens.
Well, I don't know. It's the CVS we was in?
Yes,
That was
that's where the
CVS.
incident
Okay.
occurred.
So we walked into the CVS. I just walked in there and I just asked the gentleman, can I use the restroom? I turn around within 10 seconds. I wasn't even in this building. 15 seconds, 10 seconds. It was happening.
Okay.
And all I see was that this guy just like, I didn't actually get to see it happen, but this guy was trying to catch the baby because the lady was so distracted, like she was just going crazy. And then that's when him was fighting.
Him and him who?
The father
Okay.
and the suspect, because he tried to take literally the baby, like literally just reached in the store and just like that was it, like just try to
Grab him?
yeah, just like
Okay.
that, straight like that. And then that's when he was like, somebody call the police, please. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is happening. So then me being me, I just went outside and I seen it. I was like, bro, this guy can't get away. No. So that's when I immediately called the cops and I just start jogging after him. We came down 70, I guess I started seeing it at 73rd. Then as this is happening, he takes off his shirt. Now, right after that happened, he takes off his shirt, throws it on the ground. There's two women that's standing on the sidewalk. He approached one of the women and even tried to grab her.
Okay.
And then he proceeded to like, it looked like she just like, what are you doing? Like, get off me, like that. And he proceeded to run down. And I was on the phone. I even said, listen, he's trying to grab even a lady. So he starts jogging, still jogging, he's still jogging. I'm just jogging after him. I tell him, come on, let's go, you know, come with me. And we're just jogging. I'm telling the police officer 73rd, 72nd. I thought he was going to come up the alley, and that's when he came right here. And I'm like, this guy's going to get away, because I thought he was going to, like, book it even faster. And then that's when he came around. I heard the sirens, and then they got him right here on the floor.
Okay.
He didn't say nothing. He was just, it was all action. He wasn't screaming. He didn't say, give me the nothing. He was just, like, fighting with this guy. He didn't say nothing. Like, he just went in there and tried to do what he tried to do. He didn't say nothing. He didn't make no sound or nothing.
Okay.
Literally.
And you were able to make sure that you didn't lose sight of him while he was
Nope.
running?
Nope.
The entire time?
The entire time.
Okay.
The entire time. Only thing I seen him throw was just his shirt off.
Okay.
That was it.
And you were able to relay that over to the 911
Yep, I was on the phone
dispatcher?
with them the whole time. Yeah,
Okay.
the whole way. Yep, most definitely.
Police ended up booking Sterneman into jail, and they made sure the boy and his family got any medical attention they needed.
This guy comes, grabs him by the head, and tries to abduct him.
No way.
So
you got the guy?
Yeah, we got him.
Yeah. Where's the motherfucker?
He's a 6900 block, but yeah, we got him. But it was on video too. Pretty hard yank of the neck. Obviously, he's shaking up.
In the end, Sterneman was charged with attempted kidnapping of a child under the age of 13 and battery. He's scheduled to go to trial in September.
Hey there, everybody. So I want to thank Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this episode of Sidebar. Always love talking about them. Now, here is the incredible thing about Morgan & Morgan, and one of the reasons why I like talking about them so much.
Hey, say something about our big wins.
You're not supposed to come on camera. The reason Morgan & Morgan, America's largest personal injury law firm, is so big, and I'm sure you can guess it, is because they win a lot.
Hey,
and that's
don't forget huge verdicts.
Yeah, they've won big verdicts. $6.8 million in New York, $26 million in Philadelphia. You see, the thing about them is they don't settle for lowball insurance offers from insurance companies, which is something.
Mention that you can submit a claim from your couch at home and on your phone.
And they've completely modernized the process by submitting your claim, talking to your legal team. It's all done straight from your smartphone. Again, that's something that
8 clicks or less.
8 clicks or less. Yes. You can see if you have a case in just a few minutes.
Got 1,000 lawyers. We have over 1,000 lawyers.
All right. You know what, Dan? If you really think you can do better, maybe you should just do it yourself.
What Jesse was getting at is if you've ever been injured in an accident, you can check out Morgan & Morgan. You can submit a claim in 8 clicks or less. To start your claim, just visit forthepeople.com/LC Sidebar.
You came a little too close to me. It hurt me a little bit. I'm probably actually going to have to hire you guys now, but that was well said. That was well said.
Now let's talk about an Ohio man who reportedly kidnapped a woman keeping her for 4 days and beating her. This was back in October of 2023. He entered a not guilty plea. He's expected to go to trial, but here's how all this went down. So Akron police got a call about suspected trespassing and that there was a woman that may be injured in an outdoor garage.
He used to live here, so he can tap into anything. But we have cameras up for other reasons.
Right, I got you. You know he's in there for a fact?
I know for a fact.
You can kick your door. You can kick it in.
I swear to God, go ahead. Please. This girl, I don't know what's wrong with this girl.
Oh, there's a girl in there with him?
Yes, I told them this. There's a girl in there. She's very slim. My husband said he didn't really get a good look at her, but he's yelling at her, "Bitch, shut up!" Before I beat the living out of her faces. She can't see out of her eyes.
Okay.
So this is why I'm nervous. This is why I've been calling his officer all morning, and I don't even know if that's even the right thing to do.
You know 100%.
I know 100%.
How long ago did they go in there?
We don't know when he got in there, but my husband went out at 1 o'clock to pull the dolly out because he has to be at work at 7:30, 7:15. So he pulled the dolly out and hooked it to the washer. That when he went out to get the dolly, that's when. And my dad leaves the keys in the garage all the time. He's 80 years old, so he forgets. So I believe the side door was unlocked, and now I feel like the door's locked. My husband didn't bring the keys, and he was so frazzled about the whole thing. It's like.
This is your property. You own this property.
My mother does, yes.
Is she here now?
She's awake, yes.
I just get verification.
She doesn't know anything that's going on.
Okay.
I mean, she can't walk. You have to come in here.
If you don't mind. You have a dog?
Yes, but she's friendly, but she's in the back sleeping with my dad.
Hey, Mom. How you doing? Are you okay with us damaging that side door to get in there?
They need to look for something. So is it okay if they get into the garage no matter what it takes to get in there? Into that door? Yeah. I will pay to fix it. Okay. Yes? Please? Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. She said she knows 100% he's in there. He took a girl in with him, and the girl's all beat up. And as they were going in, he was telling her, "Get the shut the fuck up. I'm gonna beat your ass," whatever. He's threatening to beat her up even more. So she was, "You can kick my door in, just go in and get him, please, and render aid to this woman."
When the door opens outwards, say.
Yeah.
I don't know how we're gonna kick it in.
Right.
Several officers respond to the scene, including a canine, all in case the suspect refuses to come out of the garage.
William, this is the Akron Police Department. This is your last chance. Come out now with your hands up, or we'll be sending the canine in to apprehend you. You will get bit by the dog. William, last chance.
Akron Police, better come out!
Come out now with your hands up!
Coming?
No.
William, come on out!
William, come out now, Akron Police!
There's a lot of shit in the way.
Come out! Come out!
Come out now!
Nothing in your hands!
Nothing in your hands!
Now! Now!
You're gonna get bit, buddy!
Okay.
Coming out or not? Can you see him?
Get out here now!
Come out now! Come out now!
Bro, you're gonna get up in a second. You better come the right out now. Now! He's up in the attic.
Come on.
Keep going. No, I don't see him.
Keep everything out of your hands.
He's in the attic. He's in the attic. He's coming
Keep everything out of your hands.
You keep your hands up, man. Keep your hands up.
We'll go hands on. Put it down.
Drop it. Drop. No, not your whole body. Get up. Turn around and walk backwards. Walk towards us. Walk towards us. Keep your hands up, man. Put your hands up.
Hey, we'll cuff.
Hey! Take your face that way.
Just keep coming. Watch your step. Right there. You get that? There's a female
in there.
William Mazingo eventually walks out of the garage backwards. Police put him in handcuffs without resistance. As two officers search him for any weapons or drugs, other officers realize the woman he's accused of kidnapping is up in the attic area.
What's that girl's name?
What?
What's the female's name?
I can't remember.
We can't hear you. Is there anybody else in here with you? Okay, what do you need to get down? Let me get this ladder, okay? Oh my God. There's no one else up there?
Why don't you have a seat right on this?
I figure I just let one person focus on it.
You probably would have been. Yeah, probably have. Where's she at? Up here also?
Yeah.
Just sit down.
There's a water.
We'll get you some time here.
Car number 12.
Hey, Chloe.
Is there any weapons up there here?
Is there any weapons or anything?
There's no apartment number, just there on the third
We're gonna have we have a med unit coming out to check you out, trying to make sure you're okay. Obviously, because you have some facial injuries. Are you? What's that? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Now, the woman's injuries are so severe, we can't even show them to you. She had 2 black eyes, almost making it look like she was wearing some kind of mask. Relatives of the 23-year-old woman say she had facial fractures, a brain bleed, a broken arm, finger injuries. The victim reportedly knew Mozingo, but not very well. He allegedly offered to drive her home, but took her to that garage instead.
Hey, Chloe. I thought you said you didn't know her name.
You got something on your mind?
Open your mouth.
How do you know this one? I just met her. Where you went? Hell, last night? I don't know how she came.
Yep.
I love you, Chloe.
But if you just met her, how do you love her? You know what I mean? You just met, right?
Yeah.
But you love someone you just met?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mozingo was indicted on 15 charges, including multiple counts of kidnapping, felonious assault, abduction, and unlawful restraint. His case, though, has been continued, and it's unclear when he might appear in court again. All right, we're going to end our discussion back in Florida. It's October 2022, and this is when Hillsborough County Sheriff's deputies stop a truck that has allegedly been stolen just minutes before, and guess who is inside that vehicle? 2 children.
Stop the truck! Now! Pull into the parking lot! Roll the window down. Why are you doing with the kids? What's going on? Roll the window down, bro. This is not your car? Step out of the car. Step out of the car, bro. Okay, step out of the car. Help me out here. It's not you? Alright, let me figure it out, okay? Put that bottle away. Put that bottle away. Okay, put that bottle away. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to step out of the car and help me out. Okay? What do you mean not you? Not me. Okay. So let me figure it out. I don't know what's going on. Step out till you figure it out. You're gonna step out. I cannot let you. Give me the car keys. Give me the car keys. Give me the car keys.
I know where your dad is.
I know where your dad is. I saw him running this way. Give me the car keys. I'm not asking you twice. Give me the car keys. Alright. Step out. I don't know. I step out. I need to figure out. I cannot let you in the car.
If I step out, you're gonna punch me.
I'm not gonna punch you, bro. No, I promise you.
You will.
I promise you.
You will. If I step out, you're gonna punch me.
Razor 103.
Razor 103.
Get it on 94.
Unit Mechanic Court 15th and 137.
Is this?
Yeah.
Alright, step out of the car.
No, it's not my dad.
Step out of the car, bro. Step out of the car.
Razor 103, Unit 1018.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Stay here. I need to figure out what's going on. That's all.
Governor Razor 103.
Razor 103. Come here.
Do you need your 94, 1018 or Eastern 4?
I'm 10-4, not 10-18.
Now, deputies charged Kevin Smith with 2 counts of felony kidnapping as well as grand theft of a motor vehicle, but a jury found him guilty of false imprisonment and grand theft. And according to records, he spent a year in jail. After he got out, he was supposed to spend a year on community control. That's where an offender can stay out of prison, but their freedom is restricted, so sometimes restricted to their own home or community. And they're constantly monitored and they have to follow strict guidelines. In this case, deputies say Smith violated several of the community control rules and he went back to jail, where officials say he successfully completed a substance abuse treatment program. Some harrowing moments right there. Victims who were saved from what could have been the worst in some of these cases, and the perpetrators ultimately arrested. Thanks for watching us here on Sidebar, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. As always, please subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Jesse Weber. I'll speak to you next time.